In terms of Mubarak being released, I don't know. I can't read that, frankly. I suspect he wouldn't have been released if President Morsi was still president. I did sense, weirdly, some, not nostalgia for the Mubarak days when I was there last week, but certainly there was one version of events, which is that this current government is the least worst of the last four. And now Mubarak seems bad, but in comparison to what's come afterwards, you know, there were some pluses about the Mubarak regime. I don't think that there's general clamour for him to be reinstated, or I don't think he'd win an election. And I'm not sure that his release in itself really is going to have much impact, but I'd be interested to hear what Nadine thinks about that.
And Nadine, any reactions to the release of Mubarak today?
I think the general reaction is sort of just put your heads up and say, well, this is just more proof that we're not transitioning towards democracy. It's proof that we haven't started a transitional justice period, and that the current institutions are incapable of administering transitional justice, and so it's just evidence of how far we have to go. I would say that, you know, it's kind of a mixed bag. People are upset, but not upset enough to do anything about it. We have a curfew. Most people just sit at home in the evening, and the state of security and the bloodshed, I think, outweigh any feelings against or in support of Mubarak. I think his release is irrelevant. It almost seems natural, actually, for him to be released right now with the current state of affairs and the return of the emergency law, the return of the curfew, and the return of what is, in essence, the Mubarak security apparatus in full force.
Thank you, Nadine.